The award-winning BabySafe Sleeper's complete lay-flat safety system offers you the very best-in-class crash protection. Whether travelling by car or with a Britax pushchair, your baby can travel safely and comfortably, completely protected at all times. The BabySafe Sleeper is endorsed by leading paediatric professionals as its lay-flat position is the safest and healthiest way to transport small babies on long journeys. The adjustable backrest lets you adjust your baby's seating position when you're not travelling in the car. Designed for easy installation and removal from your car, the BabySafe Sleeper is compatible with Britax pushchairs that include the Click and Go feature, while the single-handed release mechanism allows easy removal from the pushchair. It's also perfect for long journeys and unexpected overnight stays, and the retractable hood stores away neatly inside when not in use. The BabySafe Sleeper also has a 3-point safety harness and padded interior bedding, which is soft on the skin and removable for washing. The integrated roll cage provides a protective zone around your baby in case of an accident, and the energy-absorbing interior offers 360-degree body protection at all times. An additional newborn protector can be purchased, which offers additional support for very small babies, in particular premature babies. The Britax BabySafe Sleeper, independently recognised by consumer test organisations across Europe.